Born down south on a chicken farm near Nashville, Tennessee. There weren't nothing there but a sky full of air, 10,000 chickens and me. So one day I said, hey, 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 and I go drop some vitamin C. Blew my mind, got real kind, set my chickens free. Set my chickens free, I set my chickens free. Got real kind, blew my mind, set my chickens free. We got chickens in the cauliflower, chickens in the corn, chickens in the bedroom, chickens in the barn. We got chickens driving Cadillacs in Washington, D.C. Set my chickens free. I set my chickens free. Man, I set my chickens free. Blew my mind.